Good morning everyone. Welcome and welcome back to my channel at Pics. I am Payal. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a very easy technique to create gradient watercolor background for any kind of mandala art. In this drawing, you will need four colors: red, yellow, blue and white. And you also need black colors, fine liner pen or gel pen, anyone. And you must need some cotton ball. So without further delaying, let's get started. Now create a sky color using blue and white. Then you need to follow only two steps. First, dip your cotton ball into the sky color, and second, dab your wet cotton ball on the paper. Now you can see that a very nice color effect already created on your paper. Now please continue this dabbing motion and spread the color on your required area. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. Now I create a pink color using white, red and little amount of blue to create a nice gradient effect. You can see that this is a very easy technique and easy to use. You do not need any brush or any kind of instrument. I hope you like this and you found this technique useful. Using the same technique, I created another gradient effect using only red and yellow on the other half of my drawing. If you found this video helpful or if you want to learn more this kind of technique, then please comment me in my comment section and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I already finished coloring the background for my mandala art. Now I'm going to let it dry completely before start the drawing. For mandala art, here I already choose two very basic pattern. These two pattern is very easy to make and it is very much beginner friendly. If you like this pattern, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to watch until the end. Thank you in advance. This is the final outcome of my drawing. To make my drawing more attractive, I created some leaf patterns. If you found this technique and drawing more helpful, then please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment in my comment section. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.